Alright, so today we're going to show you how to turn yourself into a GIF. And let's face it, with today's technology, it's even easier to do all kinds of fun things, but you still have to set yourself apart. So whatever you end up using it for is totally up to you and how you brand yourself. In this case here, I'm into affiliate marketing. So what I want to do is take a picture like the one that you see right here, and it's going to say affiliate tips and tricks. And you're going to see it move back and forth just like as a GIF does. So the first thing you want to do is establish the pictures that you want to use. I took a couple pictures from my phone of a selfie of myself, and then what I did was I sent it to my Facebook so I could download them from there. Once I downloaded them from there, I went ahead and I uploaded them to Canva. But before you do that, if you want to get rid of the background, just to show you, you can go to a site here called Photo Scissors. So let me just show you as an example. So let's say, for instance, I want to use this one picture here. This picture here in particular, it's got a background to it. I'm going to open it up. And you can see background gone. So now it's just a picture of me there. Let me download that. And I've already downloaded my other picture here. So then what I want to do is go to Canva. And let's just start over to show you how we do it. We can go to create a design, custom design, or dimensions. Let's just say 1000 by 1000. Create new design. Let's go to uploads. Now I need to upload what I just did there. That was this picture. So let's open that up. So we're going to use this one and this one. So let's go ahead and click on this. And there I am there. And let's just go ahead and put some text there. Let's bold it out. So now what we're going to do is we're going to use the other picture. But let's go ahead and copy the page. And we're going to go to uploads. Let's take this one out, this picture. So now we're going to put this one in. We got this picture. Affiliate marketing tips and tricks, affiliate marketing tips and tricks, and let's add an image there. Let's go ahead and go to elements, recently used, and you'll see a light bulb there, which we can change the color of. We can give the background a different color. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and download that as a PNG. So now it's actually going to download it as a zip file. Let's take that zip file, we're going to open it up. I'm going to send it to my desktop. There's the images there. And then you're going to head to a site called gifmaker.me where you're going to upload both images. So we've got image 1 and we've got image 2. Now what you'll notice on the right side is you can control different things: canvas size, animation speed. But we're just going to leave it the way it is right now. You can't see it too well right now, but what we're going to do is go to create GIF animation. We're going to view the GIF now. It's quite a big picture. So real quickly, I wanted to mention I just changed the size of it so you could see the whole pic here. At first I did a 1000 by 1000 when I was doing it custom dimensions here. I changed it to 500 and 500 there. So just so you can see the difference there. So this is smaller, but you can see it very clearly. That was the bigger one. You couldn't see very well. So just keep in mind the dimensions that you're using and how it will affect the pictures. Okay, so we've got a really cool GIF here. Again, affiliate marketing tips and tricks. You can see how the light bulb goes off after the second picture here. But that's pretty much how it works. So now once you've downloaded this GIF here, what you can go ahead and do is send it to yourself via email, and then you can open it up and send it wherever you'd like from your phone. So I'll go ahead and send it as an attachment. And there it is right there. Open. I'm going to click send. Once you send it to yourself, then you can go ahead and download it to your phone. Once you download it to your phone, well, then you can go ahead and send it wherever you like. But you've got to go to My Files. If you're using a Droid, go to My Files, go to the file itself, and then you can go ahead and share it wherever you like. So hopefully that little tip helps out for creating your own little GIF and branding yourself, which is one of the most important things you can do in affiliate marketing and marketing just in general. All right, guys, hope you liked the video. See you soon.